Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So today I am going to play with this Colourpop eyeshadow palette I got, along with I want to use their lashes that I also received. These are two things I received from Christmas, and then I have a brow pencil from them as well. So I'm going to give these a try today and create something fun because the look of this eyeshadow palette is absolutely gorgeous. It just has like so many shimmery, bright, colorful tones. So I'm going to give that a try and jump right in. I'm going to do my face first and then we're moving into the eyeshadow. So to start off, I'm using the Milk Hydro Primer. This one, you know, I like. I still only have a sample of it. I'm debating whether or not I'm going to buy the full size because I'm not a huge primer person. But today's going to be a long day because I work this evening before night shift. So my makeup's going to be on all day. And right now it's really early in the morning, like 9 o'clock. After that is on, I'm going to use foundation. I think I'm going to do a mix. I'm going to start off with the Wet n Wild and then use the CoverGirl on top. Taking a flat top blending brush and I'm just going to blend this whole thing out. This shade is a little bit dark for my skin, but we'll lighten up with concealer. If you haven't noticed the outfit in the room, yes, I did change my hair color. And next I'm just taking the Milani concealer and putting this underneath my eyes. I absolutely love this concealer. So just put all the concealer in the places I want to highlight on my face. So again, it's just in the jawline, the center of my chin, Cupid's bow, the center of the forehead, center of the nose, and of course under the eyes. To blend out under the eyes, I'm going to use a sponge. You won't think I cleaned this yesterday, but like, so this is what the face is looking like. Very clean, very flawless. Before we move into anything else, we are going to set the face. Just taking a powder with a powder puff. Blend it all the way. So before we go on to finish the face, we just have a blank canvas and we are going to move on to the eyes. So I'm going to use this palette. Some really gorgeous shades in it. I don't know what I'm going to do. I feel like I want to get a little fun, a little attempt to cut crease again. I'm not the best at it, but go with one eye first and then see where it goes from there. Just going to lighten up my eyelids just a little bit more so stuff pops out. I'm going to use the Camo 24-Hour Concealer from e.l.f. This one is just a very light shade for me, so I'm just going to lighten up my lids a little bit more. I'm taking a concealer brush and blending it in. So with that still being tacky, I'm going to jump into the eyeshadow, a more tapered kind of crease brush with the same shade. Pop that right into the upper crease. Oh wow. This shows up way more purple when you put it on your skin compared to what it looks like in the pan. Very exciting. Use this smudger brush with the shade Hubba Bubba and dot that just a little bit lower in that crease. Back with the other brush with the same shade, Jelly Baby, just to feather that out. A big blending brush to blend this all out, just add a little more of a transition, taking the shade Sweet Capacity, just a little bit on the brush, just to feather out the edges and bring it closer to the brow. It's time to cut the crease. Again, I suck at it. To do this, I'm actually going to take something I haven't used in a long time, the AOA Correction Concealer. This is the white one. I want to use this because it's very matte. But first off, I'm just starting with a flat shader brush to get the initial shade and shape. And then afterwards, I'll be able to figure out if I need to bring the darker shade up a little bit higher. You can look up. And alright. And that's where I'm going to cut my crease, I guess, because that's everything I saw online about it. Sharp line, I'm taking a lip concealer brush. This one's from the Body Shop. And just a little bit more of this to make sure my brush has product on it. And getting right up close next to those edges. So now it's time to pack everything onto the lid. I'm going to take Gumdrop. So these are like a loose glitter. So with actually just a little bit of the primer I have, just a drop of it, taking a little bit on the brush, dabbing it onto the lid, and then taking Gumdrop with the brush, picking it up and packing it right on. Then with the same brush, taking a little bit more of that primer. Now taking Sweet Life, the other deeper glitter shade in the palette. So this is definitely a super shiny, fun a small accent brush, taking Hubba Bubba and just going right along that edge. And taking Jelly Bean and blending that out in small circular motions. Taking the Colourpop lashes, I'm going to pop those onto my obviously my lashes, so there they go. These might be a little bit long. They look a little bit long, so I might have to trim them. I'm just going to line it up to see where it fits on my eye, to see if I have to trim them. I think actually I could get away with them, because if I want to be I actually will take off just a millimeter. Coat my lashes. Now we're going to pop on the lash. So I'm now taking Gummy a Break. Oh, that's cute, babe. That's cute. Highlighting my inner corner. This shade doesn't really want to highlight. We're going to take the little accent brush we used and taking Jelly Baby. Oh my god. And going right underneath the lower lashes. Dragging that up a bit. You can choose to connect it here if you want to. I'm not going to. I'm going to leave it open. And then I'm actually going to take the shade Pop, which is like a chromy metallic shade, and pop that right in the inner corner. Just with the larger blending brush, with Sweet Pea and a mixture of Bubblicious. Buffing that out. Just taking this cream pencil and my trick, because usually they don't pop up enough and I just don't think about buying one. So I'm just using a Body Shop eyeshadow. Now just coating my lower lashes, and make sure you get those inner corners. Is their finished eye look. I'm going to do my brows and the other eye off camera, and I'll be back. Alright, so my eyes are on. Now it's time to finish the face. So I am going to take my Amuse bronzer, because why not? I'm just going to bronze up the face as per usual. If anyone who is watching this, who gets this far, and if you ever bought hair extensions, I'm looking to get some. Let me know what the most affordable ones that you've tried are, because I'm not looking at spending $300 to $400. I want to spend, you know, an okay amount. Now for blush, I'm taking the BH Cosmetics blush palette, and I'm probably going to take a mixture of maybe this shade and this one here, just to have something like a little bit brighter on my face. Now taking a setting spray. For highlight, I'm going to take the Spotlight Highlight Palette from BH Cosmetics of 2 shades. So I'm going to use the usual one, Radiance, and then I'm going to go in with Allure. Now taking Allure, just to beam it up just a little bit more. For my lips, I'm using the Body Shop lipstick, and this is shade 601. It's more of a neutral shade on me. This is like one of my go-to shades. And just an extra little bit of pop, I'm using the So Juicy lip gloss from Colourpop as well, and this is the shade She's Here. So this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It's super fun and super easy. I think I did a lot better with my cut crease today than I usually do, so I'm happy. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!